Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to control who can find you by your phone number in the Botim app. This feature is important for managing your privacy and deciding who can reach you on Botim. First, open the Botim app on your phone. Once it's open, look at the top right and tap on your profile photo. Next, scroll down and tap on Privacy. Then tap on Phone Number. Under the section titled Who Can Find Me by Phone Number, you'll see three options: Everyone, My Contacts, and My Contacts Except. Choose the option that fits your privacy preferences best. If you want more privacy, selecting My Contacts or My Contacts Except is usually the safest choice. Finally, once you've made your selection, your new privacy settings will take effect immediately, ensuring that only the people you allow can find you through your phone number. That's all for today's video. We learned how to manage who can find you by phone number on Botim to keep your account secure. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.